is our blizzard in Maryland.
This is our snowman.
It is ridiculous.
Starting it. That went down my ass crack. Oh my god. You bitch.
It's snowing too much. We had a cable wire fall down. And two retarded ass girls here.
It's in my ass crack, help me. Oh, it's all down my pants.
I thought you're used to having stuff down your pants.
Messing my perfect butt of a snowman.
Sorry for messing up the butts.
Oh, my snowball's face butter. You just gotta pat it real good. Like this. Trying. Like this. Oh. Alright, then.
The snow is ridiculous. It's ridiculous.
That's fucked up.
I believe I got that all on camera.
Come get my phone.
Where is it? Where is it?
Right here. Put it in your pocket, please. How do I fall trying to fucking get her?
Maybe if you weren't so retarded.
Yeah.
Ridiculous winter storms. It won't stop snowing. It has snowed like every weekend.
Please don't. My ass is cold. You did.
I didn't spit on any use. Maybe.
Right here. You gotta start making the middle. I'm trying. I'll make the butt. It's sticking to my gloves.
This is Jessica making the butt.
And I'm making the middle.
And Tiffany likes touching middle thing.
Yeah,
I ain't making
make
shit.
The head, huh?
It's cold as fuck out here.
Come on, you gotta help us.
There's snow everywhere.
It's a blizzard.
It's like a barren landscape of snow.
Look, this alley was perfect, and look what we did to this alley. I know, right?
It's all Tiffany's fault. Guys, let's go play basketball.
Trying to get her